Got a mission to spark your mind with everyday tales of career paths you'll find. From dreams to jobs, we help you see the world of work and what you can be. Our vision's bold, global bright, creative minds and future in sight. Follow your thoughts, feel your heart, let our stories be your start. Listen close, let passion grow. In every tale there's more to know.
I see them at the top of the ladder, where they see the sun and the sky every day. That's their outfit. Who am I talking about? I'm Van, editor of Living Games Studio. Introduce Jesse and James. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy to talking to you this morning. First question, how do you get a job like yours?
Just high school diploma and 1 year on job training.
Huh? Why it is so easy?
Easy for you. Some people take a whole life but cannot get a degree, and careers like us.
Please take a moment to introduce yourself.
I am Jesse, a solar photovoltaic installer, and James is a solar cells researcher.
We come from Arizona, United States.
Oh, what about you, James? What is your job? Is it the same as Jesse?
No, I work in the solar research lab to make the solar cell thinner and smaller but still efficient.
Jesse, tell me a little bit about your day-to-day installation work. As I understand it, you will be installing and assembling equipment on rooftops. Is that correct?
Partly true. Although the equipment is produced by the manufacturers, we still need to measure, cut, and assemble it, then connect it to the electrical system. Finally, we also need to maintain the system throughout its life cycle to ensure it works well.
At the job site, photovoltaic installers verify the measurements and design of the structure on which the photovoltaic system is being set up. For photovoltaic systems on flat roofs, photovoltaic installers must first add a structure that allows the PV system to be mounted at an angle.
This means that in addition to assembly, you need to have electrical skills.
Jesse has some previous experience as electrical technician.
Oh, I see. I mean applying multiple skills to one job. That's interesting. So what does the work environment look like?
Because photovoltaic PV panels convert sunlight into electricity, so most of the time we work outdoor.
What risks and protection do you recommend for new people in the field?
PV installers must wear safety equipment such as harnesses, gloves, and hard hats. But you will learn these skills when you are on the job training to protect yourself.
For those who like solar systems but don't want to work outdoors, are there other options?
Then they can research like me.
Oh yes, if we like something, we always have a choice to do what we like, no matter of any limitation, right? Now let's talk about the salary. Is it high?
My salary is in the top 10%. You can Google it to see how much it is.
Additionally, after several years of working, you can move into project management, sales, or even open your own PV system installation business.
That's absolutely true. When you are in any field, there is always a lot of opportunity to improve and find something new to do. One more question. What are the important criteria to consider when someone is thinking about becoming a solar photovoltaic installer?
Most of the time, you work at heights, climb the ladders many times a day, so physical strength and stamina are required.
So, women cannot join in this type of work?
So far, I don't see any in my workplace.
But I see them a lot in my lab. Isn't that great? Wherever men work, there are always women around.
To collaborate and support. He the statistic from the government. From now until 2034, solar photovoltaic installation jobs will increase by 42%. This is an amazing number. You will always have a stable job after graduation. And Jesse and James, if I ask you to tell me some words related to your job, what would you say?
I love sunshine.
Absolutely agree.
Okay, I know there's a music library. Anytime you input a keyword, it will come out a song to listen. Now, let's try to type in I love sunshine absolutely great into the search bar to see what comes up. Oh, I have one. Thank you for coming today. I like your work and like your sunshine outfit.
Today, the weather is nice and sunny. The wind is blowing gently. Let's roll up, guys. Hey, hey, hey. We have work on the roof today. Are you guys ready? We are ready. Let's climb. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Today the skies are clear and bright, a gentle breeze, the mood feels right. Grab your gear, it's time to go. Up we climb with steady flow. Hey team, let's rally strong. The roof awaits, it won't be long. Are you set? Let's make it count. We're ready, comes the bold resound. Step by step we rise with pride. Together now, let's reach that height.